Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bankole Adeola, the founder of Moab Crypto Blog. So I'm here today to explain to you on how to do basic research in cryptocurrency. What is basic research in cryptocurrency? Before buying any token, you need to understand the use case, the team involved in those tokens, so you'll be able to predict how well the coin will do in the future. There's a lot of criteria to check out for, which I'm going to explain today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, turn on your notifications so that I can get notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching. The fastest place I use for my basic research is coinmarketcap.com. Just go to www.coinmarketcap.com. Then, because what is coinmarketcap is a web platform which shows you details, information about a token, about the currency token. So now let's start with the coin. Well, which one should we choose today for basic research? The first one I'm going for now is BNB. Let's go with BNB, Binance Coin. Binance Coin is BNB. Now let's go for BNB. Now, okay, what is BNB? You can see CoinMarketCap is giving us information about BNB, the Bitcoin BNB price, the low and the high, the market cap, fully diluted market cap, volume, the circulating supply. This each information has an impact as a researcher. Understanding the market cap. Well, this has a very market cap is $76 billion. The fully diluted, the volume, today volume alone is $5 billion. And looking at the circulating supply, these are the information you need to understand if the coin is engaging, doing well in the market. Now, the first thing you go for to check is the use case of the token. What is Binance Coin? You can see Binance is the largest cryptocurrency exchange, launched in July 2017. So, looking at this, is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchange all over the world. So, and their BNB is a native coin, which they created a coin, their own native coin, which is Binance Coin, called BNB. So now let's check out the use case of BNB. The Binance network Binance has launched a whole ecosystem of functionalities for its user. The Binance network include the Binance Chain, Binance Smart Chain, the Binance Academy, Trust Wallet, and research projects, which all employs the power of blockchain technology to bring new age finance to the world. So looking at this use case, now let's emphasize on Binance Chain. Binance Chain is like an ecosystem where it's a decentralized ecosystem where you own your token, your token yourself. Like looking at Binance, and Binance is a decentralized thing where you keep your coin with them, but with decentralized platform, your token, you keep your token yourself, which is your key, private keys yourself. So now looking at this, you have to the next thing you go to is the founders of Binance Coin, the founders of the projects you want to go for. Now, Chempexal is the founder of Binance in 2001. Joins Bloomberg as the head of trade book features development. Spent 4 years with the company and later joined Future Systems as a partner. As an actively involved with blockchain technology and cryptocurrency, became head of blockchain. And so you can see, looking at the founder is a well-educated person. He has been into blockchain, understanding how it works, understanding how the challenges of blockchain and what blockchain system technology can solve. So looking at this founder, definitely the coin will definitely do well. Now let's talk about Binance Smart Chain. We all know Binance Smart Chain is an ecosystem where you own your private keys. Owning your private keys meaning that you only can control your funds, your money. So being a smart chain now, they allow other coins to build on their platforms. So imagine thousands of tokens that build on Binance Smart Chain, thousands of tokens, and before you can accept those tokens, you have to make use of being a BNB to purchase those tokens. So BNB is a daily use coin. People buy every day to purchase any token there. So the usage of BNB is very high. Definitely, Bitcoin will definitely do well in the future. Definitely do well in the future. So those are the things use case you need to understand while engaging is the platform, the token, how what is the problem the coin came to solve, the founder behind the token. These are the most paramount things you need to understand when investing in the token. Now, and another category you need to check is the community. Who are those people? The community. Of the founders of the token have not abandoned the project because there's a lot of abandoned projects here in the crypto space. You need to be very sure the founders are not are still functioning in the cryptocurrency community. So checking their Twitter page, for example, their Reddit page, it gives you assurance that the projects are is still growing very well and the team behind the project are still pushing the projects. So another thing you guys should check on is circulating supply. Remember, the higher the circulating supply, it doesn't matter actually, but circulating supply matters a lot. When you're talking of circulating supply, it matters a lot because when you have, for example, 5 billion circulating supply before you can touch $1, then definitely the supply, the market cap should have to be at 5 billion supply. Just $1, the market cap have to be at 5 billion supply. So supply has a very key point to play when it comes to uh, research of the token. Another thing you can check on is the price statistics. Looks how far the coin has done well. You can see here we have the all-time high, the all-time low, 7-day high, 7-day low, 30-day high, 90-day high, 30-day low. It shows the price statistics, the past results of the token, how the token has done well at the past. So you can see the all-time high is 90, which is 5 months ago. The all-time low is 0.09, which is 4 years ago. So looking at this platform, or looking at using this platform to do a basic research before investing in coin will help you a lot to determine if a coin will do well or not. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and set your notification on so like you'll be the first person to get notified when I drop a new video. Thank you.